Oh, that's cash, no doubt. That's cash. We'll do it. All right, cool. All right, thank you. Boom. I'm owning that thing for $280.
Good job!
I'm hoping on the rest of the pitch here that hopefully we'll have one or two more. That's cool. Yeah, battery operated. What's the limit? Is it neat? Operated tin car. It's in great condition and sometimes the box.
Oh, is that what you wanted? I thought you wanted the camera. I thought you wanted the camera. No.
When you buy any stuff, the more functions that it has, the better the
What? What's on your mind? You want to be a cinematographer? Want to be a videographer?
I appreciate it.
You just like little toys?
The battery operated stuff. You know, TPO, MTO.
Where you going?
When I walked into the bicycle room, I went
There's the kitty. Go get the kitty. Go get the kitty. Go on, get the kitty.